I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google Ads account and confirming a billing method. This lets you launch campaigns immediately. Once done, choose a single campaign objective, sales, leads, or traffic, because goals shape bidding and creatives. Make sure to install the conversion tracking tag and link Google Analytics so you can measure performance from day one. You'll see why tracking matters. It turns clicks into actionable data and lets you optimize bids and budgets intelligently as campaigns run. You now build campaigns grouped by objective, then create focused ad groups around tight keyword themes so relevance stays high. As you add keywords, use a mix of match types and add negative keywords to cut wasted spend. This improves quality score and lowers CPC. Configure bids and daily budgets based on expected ROI and add ad extensions, site links, callouts, structured snippets to increase real estate and CTR. Monitor impression share and adjust budgets so winning ad groups can scale. You'll launch and then monitor key metrics, conversions, ROAS, and quality score. Early trends tell you what to change. Once you have data, run a /B tests on headlines, calls to action, and landing pages to lift conversion rates incrementally. Make sure to reallocate budget to top performers and pause poor performers. If something goes wrong, ads disapproved, tracking broken, or low CTR, check policy status, tag placement, and ad relevance first. Resolving these usually restores performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.